Guys, sorry about the last video. My video accidentally stopped, so yeah, this is part 2 of Point Macy, and this is part 2. Sorry about that, guys. Sorry about this, guys, but this is part 2.
Here.
What's timber? What are we putting all downstairs? What are we putting all downstairs?
The board went downstairs.
What? Oh. I didn't get to see it.
Oh well. Window. Fall out the window.
Who's gonna fall out the window?
Air conditioner.
Oh, nice.
Not gonna fall through that.
Yeah. Now you got to cover this side up.
Let's sit in front of the fan for a little bit. Because I am scorching hot. Guys, this is a cyclone fan. That's my dad's Christmas house. It is just a house. I thought you had it already in. Mom, I thought you had it already in.
Sorry. Going behind it. Cover it up. So we've got a gap down there.
I'm a good filmer, right? Am I doing good at filming, Mom? I'm not as shaky as you are. Why do we need foam?
Cover up the hole so the air doesn't get in here.
Oh.
Oops, you lost it, Dad. You lost it.
I'll hand it to him. He just yanked it from me.
Yep.
Why? You don't have no right to yank it from me.
Hey, now, you just took it so he could put it back in. He didn't yank it. You just took it, honey, so he knew you had it. So he just took it. He didn't yank it from you.
Just like when I handed you this, you didn't yank it.
Yeah, but he didn't yank it from you. He just took it away from you.
This is part 2 that I'm filming right now. Because I stopped the other one. It's hot up here. It's hot up here.
That's why we're putting this in. Dad can't sleep up here. It's hot.
Oh my.
Now what's the bottom look like?
Mm-mm. I'm gonna set this down right here real quick, then go check on something downstairs. I'll be back, okay?
Okay.
I'll be back. And now we have 2 cats. And now we have 2 cats. And now we got 2 cats. And now we got 2 cats. Hey, Chelsea!
You have a phone? Cut this in half. Get in there. You do that and you can't move.
Too bad. Get that one strip right along here that's...
Oh, I feel water.
You usually do. That towel's wet. You want a smaller piece of towel?
No, I don't know.
Mom, guess what? My YouTuber had mice.
Mm.
Yeah.
That's up. Give me that board down there. Here.
She's living.
What do you think?
Let go. Let go.
Oh. No, let's turn it on.
No, not yet. Then that will let you turn it on.
What's all in there? What's all in there? What?
Junk.
Why? That scared me.
Yeah.
I'm getting away if he scares me again. What are you doing? Oh. I need to sit too. Especially in front of this fan. You guys should probably sit in front of the fan too, Mom. You two guys should probably sit in front of the fan, but Dad's not, because he's working on the AC right now, guys. But here is the fan.
Shelby, we're upstairs. Come here. Come here, Shelby.
What? Is that thunder? Wow. I heard that in my room when I was talking to the fans, Mom. I heard that. Comment down below if you guys heard the thunder when I was talking to you guys. Comment down below if you guys were. Because I'm going to post this video Mom. I am! I need a second video for my channel. Shelby, come up here! Why don't you tell them where we are? Me and Chloe had fun playing Roblox, Mom. Oh! Okay.
Plug it in. Okay, turn it on. Don't push real hard.
Which one?
That power. Okay. Well, let's do it. Dad, adjust it.
Oh, it feels good!
Feel like it's cold air, Caleb?
Yeah, it does.
Probably is.
It is.
Where's the remote?
Did it come with the remote? We got it.
Dad should have it over there in this stuff. This can't be here. Let's put it over there.
Mom, what is it? Let me see.
What, it's a
Give me
speaker.
a chance.
It's a speaker. Okay, let it go.
That's a speaker?
Yeah, that's the speaker.
For what?
It's a stereo.
Oh. There's a car going by.
So,
Not that I care.
let's get up.
Not that I even care.
How did you figure out what?
The car going by.
That looks like a tinker toy.
What? Oh, yeah, it does. Let me see. What is it?
That's what we're trying to figure out. I don't know what
Did
it
it
is.
come out of there?
Yeah.
Must have.
Came out of there?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
All right, let's go. Okay,
Let's go. I'm right behind you.
No, wait a minute. The window closed over there.
It's not put up right. It's not straight.
It's not straight.
The AC.
It's fine.
It's fine, yep.
That's the only thing you can't do. It's on 72. That's probably pretty good. But this window closed over here.
Go for it. Go for it.